Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you are new here, karibu sana. If you are returning subscriber, welcome back to this channel. Please remember to subscribe, like, share and hit that notification bell. And for video today, we are going to wash, do some cleaning and cook our breakfast. Now I'm wiping and then I remove the dust from the chairs. Now I'm cleaning the table and then I wash the floor. Yes. Now I'm done cleaning. Let us see the final result. Now I'm in the kitchen, washing a little bit. Yes, cleaning the kitchen and then I cook my pancakes. Yes, nakushukuru Dadio, umeruditeni. Yes, nakushukuru. Ninapenda nikuabudu. Now I'm done washing my utensils. I'll show you my final results and then we go and make pancakes for breakfast. Wow. Sorry. This is my final result. My kitchen is clean. Wow, look at that. It's clean now. So let us make our pancakes. So for our pancake today, we are not going to make fluffy pancakes. We are going to make the ordinary pancakes, and then we make black tea. But black tea, I've already cooked it outside the camera, so you'll only see the pancake. This is how our pancakes looks like, the final result. I made many. So till next time, please remember to subscribe, like, share, and hit that notification bell. Love you guys. Bye. It's a wrap.